welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss two things. One is object array, second one is jagged array. First, we are moving into object array. What is mean by object array? The array which is declared with array which is declared with java dot lang dot object. The array which is declared with java dot lang dot object is called object array. Remember, this java dot lang dot object is a predefined class from the Java library. This is the predefined class from the Java library, and this object is the parent class for all the classes that are defined in an application. Okay, you are writing any application for any class. This java.lang.object is the parent class. Now, how to create an object array? Object sum of this is my array name is equal to new object of size. This is the way. What is the advantage? Up to now, we are creating an array. An array can hold multiple elements of same data type, or array can hold multiple objects that are generated from same class. That is, all the objects must to be similar. But the advantage of object array is, so here the object array can store dissimilar objects. That means the objects that are generated from different classes. Objects that are generated from different classes. Class object array demo. Now, public static void main of string args. Within this one, create an object array. Object sum of is equal to new object of, simply take the size, or else you can read the from the scanner and then assign the value, number of elements. Now, here object array can store dissimilar objects. First, O of, okay, instead of confusion, I am using some OB of 0. At 0th position in the array, I am storing, for example, integer object new, that is integer of some 10. What I am doing? So at 0th position, I am storing a wrapper class integer object. Now, OB of 1 is equal to new string of some welcome. At first position, I am storing a string object. At first position, I am storing a string object. Suppose OB of 2 is equal to new. What is my class name here? Object array. Take this one. New object array demo of. You are taking any constructor. So here in this program, there is no constructor. If there is no constructor means this is not at all required. Simply here observe, two objects are there. One is integer wrapper class object and second one is string object. So directly display object k colon ob. You know this extended for loop. System dot out dot println, directly print the value of k. And here what you used? Wrapper class to string object. For that you can use toString method. Even though you are not using, not a problem. Okay. By default, automatically it takes the string method. Dot Java. Now Go to the command prompt. Java C space dot Java. So here, this is the warning. You know that one for wrapper class, this warning is there. Java space object array demo. See this one. First 10 is printed. After that, welcome is printed. After that, welcome is printed. Anyway, you are getting the output. Anyway, you are getting the output. Here, this is an exception. Null pointer exception. Okay. Right now, you don't know the concept of exceptions. Ignore that one. Otherwise, if you want, you can directly print this k value, save, and execute. See this one. 10 welcome null. 10 welcome null. So here we are creating an object. Why null? Why null? Here you are creating an object array of size 3, but you are assigning at 0th position and first position only. That is the error, not an error. It takes null value. Now create an array of size 2. Now execute. There is no problem. See, perfectly that is stored. Perfectly that is stored. Now you got it. What is an object array? An array which can hold dissimilar objects. Dissimilar objects. Now the next one is jagged array. What is a jagged array? Simply the array which holding which holding array objects is known as jagged array. So what is an example? Two-dimensional array. Suppose coming to the previous session, in the two-dimensional array, first we are creating an array with this array. So for example, 3 rows. This is one more array. This array again consists of 2 columns. This is called jagged array. An array which hold another array object. That means this is an array object. This array can hold this one. So two-dimensional, three-dimensional, multi-dimensional arrays is called array objects. Now finally what we discussed, array can hold multiple objects of same data type or dissimilar data types, and the array holding array objects, jagged array. This is the concept of arrays. Thank you.